All right, this side. Makes you wonder if they even care about their consumers. Consumers, as long as they got the money. All right, getting closer. I used to think, when I first started this project, I was doing the pencils and, can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? So I thought that the coloring would be a lot more difficult than it actually is. So the coloring is actually faster than the penciling part and the inking part ever was. So next time that I do this, next time I'm going to be penciling and inking and coloring the whole page, and then going on to the next one. Instead of the way I did it was inking and penciling and inking. That's what I want to say. And then going on to the next page, penciling and inking that. Anyway, you live, you learn. I'm doing some living, I'm doing some learning. These companies are like, people? Who cares about people? Unless they stop giving us money, then we care. That's right. Companies are not made in order to make consumers rich or in order to make their employees rich. They're made in order to make the owners rich. Joseph, I think we're going to use the same color for the hat as the robe. So we're going to steal that from down here. And then this is going to be the same color as well. And then I'm going to be rating out pretty soon. Do you have a suggestion who to raid to Jim Bim? Let me check the previous page just to make sure. Yep, that's what happened on the previous page. People at those companies need Jesus just like the rest of us. This is true. There's another part of the hair that I forgot earlier. And let's go down here. Oh, wait. What? Wait. Fluffy 2840. I don't know Fluffy 2840. What do they do? He or she, what does Fluffy do? Another Zelda the Hobbit viewer? I'm all about it. Let's make sure I spell it correctly. Fluffy 2840. Okay, first things first. Let's put the raid command in the chat. Feel free to copy and paste that from my chat to Fluffy's chat. Looks like Fluffy's playing Minecraft. All right, thank you everyone for being here. Thank you, Jim Bim. Thank you for the conversation. Pleasure meeting you. And I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday from 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace.